Meaning of homeopathic.
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 Homeopathic. Homeopathy is a system of alternative medicine based on the concept of like cures like. It involves using highly diluted preparations of natural substances that would normally cause symptoms in healthy people to treat similar symptoms in sick individuals. The term homeopathic refers to this practice and the remedies used in homeopathy. Homeopathy is a controversial practice, with critics claiming that there is no scientific evidence to support its effectiveness. Supporters, on the other hand, claim that it is a safe and gentle approach to healing that can be used to treat a variety of physical and emotional conditions.